Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we're going to do a unboxing video from Fashionphile. I bought this a week ago. It took approximately a week to get here. Normally it takes just a couple days, I guess due to the COVID situation. So I have been eyeing this item for quite some time and glad that I had found it at Fashionphile. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope it's helpful to you guys. Thanks again for watching. So I love their packaging, as you can see there, and inside it's just the I guess my receipt and the thank you card. Yep. And leave just my receipt and it's in an excellent condition. It's at the there you have it. I am very excited about this item. I don't have any Prada in my collection, so yeah, it listed as an excellent condition. It said that outside has some scuff at the bottom, but I don't see anything. So just right here, just a little scratches, but it's really hard to tell to see. And it's the hardware, it's still very new looking. It's very shiny. Yeah, it's still very shiny. It looks so still so clean. It's very smooth, and it said it comes with the dust bag, and here is the dust bag, and also it said it comes with this key ring thing, the 2 keys inside, and also here there's a lock inside, and also it comes with the strap. Oh, this is so cute. I guess this is for the strap. The little small dust bag. It's so pretty. Yeah, it said it comes with oh yeah, right here it comes with the strap. It's still in a very new condition. Yeah, no scuff at all, and it's still the hardware, it's still very shiny. Yeah, the strap, it's still in a very mint new condition. And that's the inside of the bag. Small pocket here with the Prada logo, Prada Milano, and it has a zipper. In the interior, as you all know, it has fabric, shiny, as the Prada logo on that, and that's the authenticity card. That's the reason why I chose this bag, because it comes with the authenticity card. And this bag, it's in excellent condition, and 2 side pocket that will fit the 2 cell phone easily. Again, as you can see, and that's the inside zipper. It's a little bit stiff, but that's okay. Maybe the previous owner how to use it. And yeah, there's no it's not dirty at all. It's still in a very brand new condition. And that's the certificate of the authenticity. The color, it's the cameo. I don't know how to pronounce this bag. It is the Prada Saffiano Luxe Bauletto, I guess. I'm not too sure. I'm just inspecting to see if I can see anything else. This is perfect. I was afraid that it would be a huge bag. This is so perfect for an evening. It's not big at all. I just love the color with the gold combination. It's boxy, and it's but it has like a very soft leather, so it's not like so boxy. Yeah, that's the only thing I can think, or I can see. It's this at the back. It has a scratch there, but you really have to look at it to see. But overall, the handle, I didn't mention about the handle. It's clean, and there's no scuff whatsoever. So I am very pleased about this purchase, and I'm very glad to have to add her to my collection. Oh, I also I forgot to mention, it said that inside has a musty odor. I do not see. I mean, I did not smell any musty odor. To be honest, it smelled like a brand new. It's still like a smell like a brand new purse. There's no musty odor at all. There you have it, guys. Thanks again for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please do comment and give it a thumbs up. That will help my video, my channel a lot. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to leave any comment, please do so. Thanks again for watching, guys, and have a good one.